Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to use the database ScienceDirect. Starting from the Partner Students LibGuide, which you're probably already on, click on the Library Resources tab and then the ScienceDirect tab, and then you will see a link to ScienceDirect. So if you just click on ScienceDirect, that will open up a new tab in your browser that will give you the Coventry University sign-in page. To sign in to this, you need your Coventry username, and then after the username, you just type at coventry.ac.uk. So it will be username at coventry.ac.uk, and then your normal password for your Coventry account, and click sign in. And that will open up ScienceDirect in your browser. So this is what ScienceDirect looks like, and what I'm interested in is this keyword search at the top here. So you can type your keywords into this box, so you can see some of the things I've searched for in the past, but at the moment I'm going to say that I am looking into artificial intelligence and how that affects the retail industry. So I can type all of my keywords in that box and click on the search button, and here are my results. So I can see that I've got nearly 3,000 results here, and my results display in the middle of the page. Now on the left hand side there are some filters that I can use to refine my results. So the most useful one is to refine by year. So if you only want information from the last 3 years, for example, you can select those years, and you can see here how many of your search results are published from each year. You can also refine by article type as well. So most of the articles in ScienceDirect are research articles. There are also some articles that review research, a few book chapters as well, and that's probably all you're going to use on the filters side of things. So if I look at one of these titles and decide that it looks relevant to me, I just need to click on that title, and that will open up this page. So this is the journal article. It is in my browser. I can read the abstract here, so this is just a short summary of the article, and then I can download the PDF up here as well. So that will open up the PDF of this journal article, and then I'm free to print it or download it. I can do whatever I want to this article. On the right hand side on ScienceDirect, it also gives you some suggestions of other journal articles that you might like to read that are related to this one as well. So yeah, so here we go. Here's my article again. You'll also see there's keywords that are associated with the article, so it can be useful to look and see what words have been used, and then you can try searching those keywords as well to get better results. So that is it. That's how you search ScienceDirect. Thank you for listening, and good luck with your searching.